This is Mark with MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com bringing you a tropical update for today, August the 18th, 2011. We're taking a look off the west coast of Africa where there are some tropical waves that we need to talk about. Also, tropical depression number 8. And in the eastern Pacific, we'd like to talk about some storms out there as well. Right now, off the west coast of Africa, we're taking a look at a vigorous tropical wave that has emerged off the coast and accommodated by a large area of showers and thunderstorms. This wave is already showing signs of organization, and upper level winds are forecasted to be conducive for further development during the next couple of days. The system has a medium chance of 30% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone again during the next couple of days as it moves west northwestward at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Regardless of development, locally heavy rain and strong gusty winds are possible in the Cape Verde Islands Friday into looks like Saturday, and of course we'll watch this storm for you guys there as well. Now, this storm and the other storms that were coming off the west coast of Africa in the past couple of weeks were moving away from any landfall threat to the Caribbean or United States, but these storms are moving in a different way due to the high pressure and wind shear. We're going to have to watch these storms because there could be a chance of development and these storms moving into the Caribbean or somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico, or maybe up into the eastern seaboard there, and we'll continue to keep a close eye. There's also another tropical wave right here which we're keeping an eye on, which has a 20% chance of development. A tropical wave which is located about 1,200 miles east of the Lesser Antilles is producing limited shower activity. However, environmental conditions are forecasted to become more favorable for development during the next several days. So we're going to have to keep a close eye and see what happens with this particular tropical wave. Now we're going to go into the area of Belize because we're watching this tropical depression that, according to the National Hurricane Center, this is advisory number 1, and I'll show you the path. According to the National Hurricane Center, it looks like Belize will be affected by this. We'll watch this for you as it may become a tropical storm. Now, we're watching this for you very close because even though this storm is not that intense, we do see some development possible. The maximum sustained winds at this time are only 35 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure is at 1,006 millibars. Location at 15.4 north and 82.1 degrees west. Movement is west at 10 knots or 12 miles per hour. So those of you in the Gulf of Mexico wouldn't really worry about this storm. It looks like it's heading straight west. Of course, we're going to take a look at the eastern Pacific where we have a couple of storms out here. Of course, you got Hurricane Greg, Category 1, and Tropical Storm Fernanda. These storms have no threat at this time to any land, so we're pretty much going to skip those. Tropical Storm, or Hurricane Greg, though, is actually Category 1, is moving pretty much away from any land. You can see the path there as well on the top right-hand side of your screen, which shows no threat at this time. So stay tuned to MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com for the latest information. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.